Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall QuickBooks Desktop and data files, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin uninstalling QuickBooks Desktop and data files, first, close the QuickBooks application if it's currently open. Next, navigate to the control panel on your computer. For Windows 10 or 11, right-click on the Start menu, then select Control Panel. If you're using Windows 7 or 8, click the Start button and type Control Panel in the search bar. Once in the control panel, click on Programs. From the Programs menu, click on Programs and Features. In the list of installed programs, scroll down to find QuickBooks Desktop. Click on QuickBooks Desktop to highlight it. Then, click on the Uninstall option at the top of the list. A prompt will appear asking for confirmation to uninstall QuickBooks. Click Yes to proceed. Follow the on-screen instructions provided by the QuickBooks Uninstaller. After the uninstallation process is complete, you may need to restart your computer. Now that QuickBooks Desktop is uninstalled, it's time to remove the associated data files. Open File Explorer by clicking on the folder icon in your taskbar. In the File Explorer window, go to the C drive. Locate the folder named Program Data. To see this folder, you may need to enable hidden items in the View tab. Inside the Program Data folder, find the Intuit folder. Open the Intuit folder, then locate the QuickBooks folder for the version you uninstalled. Right-click on the QuickBooks folder and select Delete. Confirm the deletion in the prompt that appears. Next, go back to the C drive and look for the Users folder. Open the folder that corresponds to your user account. Navigate to the Documents folder. In the Documents folder, locate the Intuit folder. Right-click on the Intuit folder and select Delete. Again, confirm the deletion. Now that you've deleted the necessary folders, empty the recycle bin to complete the uninstallation process. This ensures that QuickBooks Desktop and all associated data files are completely removed from your system. You have successfully uninstalled QuickBooks Desktop and its data files. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.